Okay, so today I'm recording, but in someone else's kitchen. And I want to just make this point that starting and running a business is a lot like cooking food, right? I'm not saying this because I could possibly be hungry, but I'm saying this as a matter of fact, right? So you know that for you to be able to cook food, you need ingredients and you need some suppliers of those ingredients. That'll be a supermarket, etc. The flea market, the supermarket, you know, the farmers, and so on. Right? Those are the suppliers. And what your business giving value will be the cooking activity that you're doing, right? Yes, that's how you know you give your value. You took the ingredients, now you're cooking them, right? And at the very end of the supply chain, you've got the consumers, right? There might be the customers. If you're really good at cooking your food, you've used the right ingredients, you've been able to cook it well and present it well, the people are going to eat your food and finish it, you know. But if your food is bad, then no one's going to eat it, regardless of how much marketing that you're going to do, no one's going to eat your food, and they will not trust you next time you tell them I cook good food and then they've eaten, so they're not going to be able to do that. But those are the three main components: the ingredients, you cooking, that's what your business does to add value to things, and then the people who eat your food, right? So business is a lot like cooking food. If you can cook food, you know then you could possibly be a business owner. You could be an entrepreneur in waiting. You could be a person who could be multi-talented. You could even use your cooking skills to start a business if you so choose, right? So that's just one of those interesting facts that I thought about as I was standing in this virtual kitchen, right? It looks like not Ramsey type, but it has a nice rustic feel to it, So entrepreneurs, cooks, and potential adventurers, you could start businesses, and you could also cook food. So what are you gonna do today? Are you gonna cook food? Are you gonna start a business? Just enjoy your life. Do whatever you want. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.